Well, as we flip the calendar from July to August, we're creeping closer to the start of another school year. Returning to class is always a struggle for students, but this fall, an influx of funding may make learning a little easier. Keeping children focused in class, a bit more challenging these days.
We do know a lot of our kids within Cuyahoga County and other surrounding counties are coming to school with a lot of issues.
Poverty, homelessness, and violence taking a toll on little learners, according to CSU's Assistant Professor of Counseling, Dr. Dakota King-White.
We know if kids are coming to school with a lot of traumatic experiences, that it's going to make it extremely hard for them to function academically.
The new Ohio budget allocates $675 million to establish a Student Wellness Success Fund.
Well, I'm very excited to hear that the state has set the money aside to address some of the non-academic issues.
That funding expected to give school districts more tools to better address the mental health issues that often stand in the way of academic success.
Trauma and toxic stress can affect memory skills, reasoning skills.
The Cleveland Metropolitan School District already set to roll out similar wraparound services in 16 schools.
They're very excited for it to happen for this fall.
As part of the Say Yes program that will address social and emotional needs of students.
Which is going to include a family support specialist, which is going to be a conduit between the community resources and the schools.
CMSD will add a specialist and that critical counseling each year.
They don't have a buffer, someone to go to, someone to talk to about these kinds of issues.
Until they're in all 105 schools.
We had several buildings that applied to be Say Yes schools.
Governor Mike DeWine says by addressing these barriers to success, the state can give all students the opportunity for a brighter future.
Those things will be able to help kids thrive academically, socially, and emotionally.
Dr. King-White tells me that she would like to see some of this money used to fund additional school counselors and mental health therapists. She says there's also a need for more professional development so that teachers are better equipped to tackle social emotional learning.